Finding it tough to stretch your paycheck until payday? Or maybe you're just looking for a bit of extra cash to chase a dream, pay off some bills, or treat yourself to something special. Today, I'm sharing 7 simple and practical ways to make money online, even while working full-time. And the best part? You can start today. Welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, where I show you how to turn digital opportunities into cash with automation, AI, and smart strategies. If you're looking to build scalable income streams online, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I post new money-making tips every week. Now, let's dive in. 1. Selling digital products with AI and automation. First up, selling digital products. You don't need to be an expert. Have a skill or hobby. You can turn that into money. Love cooking? Create an ebook with easy recipes. Into photography? Why not make a beginner's course? The best part? You create it once and sell it over and over again. And here's where things get even better. Automation. Instead of spending hours managing sales and customer support, let AI do the work for you. ChatGPT helps you generate content. Canva makes design quick and professional. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable handle hosting, payments, and even marketing for you. It might take some effort at the start, but once it's up and running, it turns into passive income, money coming in while you sleep. Pro tip: combine AI copywriting, Jasper, ChatGPT, plus email marketing, MailerLite, GetResponse, plus sales funnels, ClickFunnels, System.io, to fully automate your sales 24/7. Second, affiliate marketing with AI. Next idea, affiliate marketing. This one is super simple. You don't need to create anything. Just promote products from other people. Here's how it works. You grab an affiliate link, share it on your social media or blog, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Let's say you make a TikTok video showing how to use a product or post a genuine review on Instagram. Boom! Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get paid. And trust me, some affiliates are making thousands using this strategy. Now here's where AI makes things even easier. ChatGPT helps you write persuasive descriptions for your affiliate links. Pictory and Synthesia create automated videos for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. GetResponse builds ready-to-use email funnels, so you can automate your sales 24/7. Example: you can promote products from Amazon, ClickBank, or Udemy using AI-generated content without ever showing your face on camera. 3. Selling on marketplaces. Automated approach. Selling stuff you no longer use is a quick and easy way to make money. But what if you don't want to deal with listing, shipping, and messaging buyers all the time? That's where automation comes in. For dropshipping, use tools like AutoDS to sell trending products without handling inventory. For digital products, design with Midjourney or Canva, and sell digital prints on Etsy. And here's a pro tip. If you're selling on Facebook Marketplace or eBay, set up automated responses and use bots to handle messages and price negotiations for you. Less effort, more sales. 4. YouTube content creation, faceless and AI powered. Think you need a fancy camera to make money on YouTube? Nope. Your phone plus AI equals money. Don't want to be on camera? No problem. AI has got you covered. Pictory creates videos with auto-generated images and captions. Synthesia or HeyGen make AI-powered avatar videos, so you don't have to show your face. Repurpose.io takes your content and automatically resizes it for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. How to monetize. AdSense, once you hit 1,000 subscribers. Affiliate links in your video descriptions. Sell ebooks and courses directly through your content. Example: imagine a channel posting AI-generated gadget reviews. It can monetize with Amazon affiliate links while staying completely faceless. 5. Freelance writing or translation AI optimized. Got away with words? Freelancing is a great way to earn, but AI can take it to the next level. ChatGPT speeds up content creation. Grammarly and Quillbot handle automated proofreading and text improvement. DeepL translates documents in seconds. Where to find jobs? Upwork, Fiverr, people per hour. Clients are always looking for skilled writers and translators. Automation. Tip: set up automated responses on Fiverr to capture clients faster and close more deals effortlessly. 6. Social media management. With AI, managing social media is hot right now. And with AI, it's easier than ever. Want to create high-quality posts in seconds? Canva plus ChatGPT generate eye-catching designs and captions instantly. Hate posting manually every day? Buffer and Publer schedule your content on autopilot. Too many messages to reply to? ManyChat handles automatic responses so you never miss a lead. How to make money? Offer social media automation services to small businesses. They need help, and you can get paid to do it. 7. Selling photos or videos, AI enhanced. Think you need to be a pro photographer to make money with photos? Think again. Your smartphone plus editing apps, Lightroom Snapseed, equals ready to sell photos. Use AI to remove backgrounds. Remove.bg and make your images stand out. Create AI-generated art, Midjourney, and sell digital wallpapers or prints. Where to sell? Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Etsy. Millions of buyers are looking for unique visuals. Pro tip: use wirestock.io to automate uploads to multiple platforms at once, saving time and boosting your earnings. Now, to help you even more, I've put together a complete guide to starting your digital business and making your first profits. Just check out the pinned comment below. Which one of these ideas are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, go out there and start building your digital income.